Today, we're diving into an honest review of Klaviyo, an email marketing platform that's become a go-to for e-commerce businesses. I've been using it for a while now, and I'm here to give you a detailed walkthrough. First, let's talk about the platform's design. Klaviyo offers a clean, easy-to-navigate interface, which makes it simple to set up and manage your campaigns. The dashboard is user-friendly, even for beginners. But the learning curve can still be steep if you're new to email marketing. One of the standout features of Klaviyo is its email automation. Setting up flows for specific customer actions, like abandoned cart reminders or post-purchase emails, is incredibly simple. The templates are customizable, and the platform offers advanced segmentation options, which allow you to target specific groups of people based on their behavior. It's a big plus for anyone running an e-commerce store, as you can send tailored messages that really speak to your audience. But Klaviyo isn't all sunshine and rainbows. While it does offer fantastic features, some users have reported that the pricing structure can be a bit expensive, especially as your list grows. The pricing is based on the number of contacts you have, and that can add up quickly if you have a large email list. It might not be the best fit for small businesses just starting out unless you're confident you can scale. The platform also integrates with most major e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento, making it easy to connect your store and start building automated campaigns. If you're using Shopify, for instance, the integration is seamless, which saves time and effort. Another positive point is Klaviyo's analytics. You get detailed reports on your campaigns, from open rates to revenue generated, and this data helps you make informed decisions about your future email strategies. The A/B testing feature is also useful, letting you test different subject lines and content to see what works best for your audience. However, as great as Klaviyo is, it's not perfect. One drawback is the customer support. Some users have mentioned that it can take time to get responses, and the live chat feature doesn't always solve issues immediately. It's a bit of a downside if you run into problems and need quick solutions. Not sure how to avoid drain your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmio, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. To sum it up, Klaviyo is an excellent tool for email marketing, especially if you're an e-commerce business with a large customer base. It offers powerful automation, deep analytics, and fantastic integrations. The pricing might be a little steep for smaller businesses, but if you can afford it, Klaviyo is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tutorials.